talent, but this time he will show us his talent for guitar playing. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we set up our mic for our next performer? Contestant number 29, Arwin Bautista.
Entrance eh. Entrance. Nire-record ko yung entrance. Ba't malayo?
Sabi ko, ba't nung binibidyo ni mo?
Hindi kasi inaano siya eh.
You know you have a thing to me, and I can never see the two of us apart. And you know I give myself to you, and no matter what you do, I promise you my heart. I'll be my world around you, and I wanted you to know I need you like I'm down.